It's almost here. A brand new product to get a taste of sugar pearls into every home. Don't miss my live announcement on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube Friday morning at 10 a.m. 9 Central. It's always been a dream to make my grandmother's legacies the essence of sugar pearls. On Friday, you get to taste for yourself and find inspiration with every turn. This new product will be available on Shopify, Instagram, and our website at sugarpearlsonline.com. Sugar Pearls, food that loves you back.